In front of me is Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to hit App Management. Then select the default apps, tap on Home App section here and apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Then choose Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app. In order to go back to your default launcher, just click on it in default Home App settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!